taking fire?
Ernie and someone else, they were there. I can't see anybody moving through the gap there. Oh!
Hit.
Right, look for Kenny. Respawn at Kenny. Like, where did that come from?
Hey everyone!
Recovered 12 o'clock.
Have a gun hit?
No, we got a sidey.
I've got grenades.
There is that. Yes. I know it's a bit modern for you World War II, but it's only got the one mag, mate.
Good range on it though.
It's alright. It's only shooting about 200.
I think I just took a rebound.
Hit.
Ricochets don't count.
I didn't.
Did they know?
Not as far as I was told.
Nah, they don't.
Sorry.
Somebody bandaging them or something. They threw them. Somebody's backside sticking it on that tree where the other guy was. Nah, I just not getting the range on him. Okay, what the hell?
Where's that coming from, man?
Coming from our left, they're behind the trees.
Oh, okay, that's lefty, definitely lefty.
There.
Oh, he's fucking spraying. Is that the one with the wonky sights?
This one's not too bad. I've got 5 high, yeah. The shoots are right.
That's a good in that.
Right, they're creeping up through the trees just over here.
See the wee guy with the World War II kit with the bolt action rifle? I got him with that and I got his mate with it last time I was here. Just tunnel on it.
What's that?
Just slowly tunnel on it.
What?
You bastard getting through.
Well, that big ghost dead twice.
Ghost even playing?
Jeez, these grenades are pish. The fuse, look at that, it exploded.
Gravity was just a little stronger today.
Right, they're close by, they're close enough to rush us, so put fire on them. Fucking C1, go there. Come on. Fucking fat smoke.
He's like literally 15 metres of gallery. 9 o'clock. Yeah, I know.
I know I've seen him, I tried to shoot him, but I was at him.
See him?
No.
He's behind that rubber, he's behind that tree. Yeah, you got him?
Yep.
Cool. Covering fire, yeah?
Go for it, put fire on him.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Sorry guys. Well, on that one.
That really?
Right, we have to get an angle on him. Right, go for it. Nice shot.
Fire on me, yak, man.
Yeah, nice work, you got him.
Good. Right, I'm going to do it. My gun's done anyway. Here's your sidearm. Come off it for some reason.
It looks pretty clear. We've got two incoming, man.